My name is Tane,
And I'm Stephen.
and we are
Future Crush. A Canadian company has just announced that they're going to start producing a flying car. It's like something straight out of a science fiction movie. It can travel at speeds of around 100 kilometers per hour. And the best bit, it's going to be so easy to fly, you won't even need a pilot's license.
At Johns Hopkins University, they've created an artificial intelligence algorithm that predicts the toxicity and effects of millions of different types of drugs and chemicals, and it's been shown to be better than lab testing. And a private nuclear fusion company in the UK has heated up plasma to 15 million degrees Celsius. That is hotter than the core of our sun.
Science is our ability to make the seemingly magical real. It allows us to take what's in our imagination and bring it to fruition.
It is a way of thinking. It's the best method that we all have to make sense of this world around us.
More than half of humanity is now online. This is the most extraordinary uptake of a technology that we have ever seen. And code is like an oil refinery, and if data is like the oil, code is the thing that takes that oil, that takes data, that refines it, that distributes it, and it ultimately gives it value. And not only are we putting code into everything, but we're also making it cognitive. Our code is evolving. It's pretty obvious that we're in the midst of a new artificial intelligence revolution.
In my field, medicine, it's a godsend. We're already using intelligent algorithms to look at brain scans of 6-month-olds to determine whether the kid is likely to have autism. By contrast, human clinicians have to wait till the kid turns 2. We're using other intelligent algorithms in our hospitals to diagnose Alzheimer's up to 9 years before doctors can, and even begin to spot invisible tumors in X-rays.
Now, of course, AI can be applied to all kinds of data, not just images. After all, data is just a stream of zeros and ones to recognize patterns in. Google has applied AI to their data center operations, increasing efficiencies by 15% and reducing costs by 40%. These bits of cognitive code are saving them hundreds of millions of dollars in energy fees. All that work used to be done by highly paid analysts. Now it's done by code.
And one of the most interesting things is that there was no impact on headcount. No one was fired. Instead, these analysts now spend more time developing business strategy, connecting with clients, the important stuff.
The innovation is the combination of our machines with one magical ingredient: human judgment. That is the real secret.